Hi guys, welcome to my channel Glitter and Glow. How are you all? I'm sure you all are doing great. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all a DIY face pack for skin whitening. So please watch this video till the end, and guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, then do consider subscribing to my channel, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon so whenever I upload my next video, you will get notification.
Guys, add 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Then guys, add 2 tablespoons of raw milk. It will help you to cleanse your face and remove all the dirt. Then guys, mix it well. Guys, rice flour will help you to remove all the dirt and blackheads and whiteheads from your face. Then guys, apply properly on your face and neck. Guys, keep this face mask for around 15 to 20 minutes.
गाइस ये सूख कर गया है. अब आप आपका फेस वॉश कर दीजिए and in a circular motion. Okay, so guys, I washed my face. You can see how my skin is glowing and it's looking very clean and soft. So guys, use this DIY face pack twice a week to get the desired result. And guys, इसमें मैंने rice flour use किया था, which has whitening agent, so it will definitely make your skin lighter day by day. So do try it out, and if you like this video and this remedy, then do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Bye guys, see you in my next video.